guys, I'm Deeksha Shetty. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a JOMSO Lehenga unboxing. Now this was sent to me for a review purpose because it's from their new collections. Anyways, before that, if you guys are watching me for the first time and if you like what you watch, then please do consider subscribing my channel and even sharing, because sharing is caring. Anyways guys, now without wasting time, let's get started. So this is how JOMSO does its packaging. You guys know, if you have watched my older videos, then I've done a lot of JOMSO unboxing videos. Now it comes in this plastic cover bag. Two colored silk heavy lehenga choli. Now super heavy it looks. Let me first see how the blouse fabric looks. Okay, again it is attached to the dupatta. No, yes, it is attached to the dupatta. So I will take some time to just remove it off. First, let's see the blouse fabric. This is how it looks. It comes in this navy blue color and has like a beautiful sweetheart neck. And then there's this heavy embroidery work going on with golden, and there's a slight silver embroidery as well, and on this side there's a lot of sequins. I hope my camera is focusing that. So you see that beautiful shine. And now this is the back of the blouse. Again, they have given a very heavy embroidery, the same golden and silver embroidery with sequins work. The detailing is so perfect, and again the embroidery looks like it is really good, very well made, and then you don't see any threads hanging on the other side, so the finishing of it is really good. And this is the sleeve part. They have given this embroidery detailing for the blouse, so you can get a mega sleeve done because there is not a lot of fabric for you to keep a 3/4 or quarter sleeve. So there's about 0.70 meter of fabric. Again, the fabric used here is Bangalore silk. It has a slight shine if you see here. Now if you compare the blouse design and the design shown in their website, it is almost the same. I hope my camera is focusing, or else I'm going to give the product code. You can go to their site and check that out. So I am really happy with the blouse fabric. Now let's see the lehenga or the skirt. This is the waistband. Again, there's this heavy embroidery in golden and silver, and then there's a sequence work going on here, and then again there's this embroidery work. The detailing is so good, even the finishing is so good, and the bottom of the lehenga is so beautiful, guys. You have to see the designs. I'm going to give the closer picture of this, okay, so you can actually see. Now the fabric used here is taffeti silk. Again, there's a shine in this fabric, and now they have given this satin lining as well. The fabric is very good, and they have given a stiff canvas on the bottom most, which is going to give that a lift and shape. So you can actually see it here. Super good. This is the bottom or the design. I am in love with this lehenga. It's super good. Now the flare of this is around, I think, 3.7 meters. And this will fit up to 42 to 44 inches of waist size. So you can actually see how huge it is. Super good. I am really impressed with this. Now comparing it to the lehenga shown in their website, this is how the lehenga looks, and trust me guys, it's almost the same. 99% of the design is exactly like how it is shown in the picture. There is no difference. Even this detailing you see here, this detail, the floral, or I don't know a diamond shaped design detailing, if you see, it's exactly like how it is shown in the picture. so I'm super impressed. But the lehenga is a little heavy, so you can actually wear it for a wedding or a reception. Super good. Now let's see the dupatta. Again, it comes in this navy blue color, and the fabric here is net. This is the border. They have given this lace border, golden lace border, and then you see this embroidery detailing. Again, all throughout the dupatta there's this embroidery. Super good. And the fabric is also very soft. I'm wearing it with the dupatta shown in the picture, and what I received, again, it's 99% same. Again, the finishing, if you see, it's super good. You will not see any random threads here and there. Coming to the rating, I would like to rate it a 5 out of 5, not because it was sent to me, but in real, the fabric, the quality of the fabric, the sequence design, the embroidery, the dupatta, the blouse, super good guys. It's exactly like how it is shown in the picture, and I am super happy. Now coming to the price, the actual price is around 4,500, but the offer price is 2,390 rupees, which is worth. I think it's a very reasonable lehenga. You can actually wear it for a wedding or a reception. Super grand, very nice. I'm falling short of words to explain how beautiful the lehenga is. Guys, if you want to shop this, it's super easy. You can either go to their website, that's jomso.com, or I'm going to give their WhatsApp number here, and they do have cash on delivery option. If you don't like a product, or if you receive a defective product, they do have a very easy return as well. You just have to mail them within 7 days, and they are going to accept your return and arrange for a return. If you are out of India and want to purchase this, then they do have worldwide shipping for extra shipping charges. That's it guys. I hope you liked today's review. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.